We use the method of substitution to solve a system of equations where we have two equations in x and y and we are trying to find their values. We have two equations. I'll name them 1 and equation 2. Now, as a first step, look for the variable that has the coefficient as 1. Coefficient is the number that's before the variable. For example, in the first equation, this number 3 is before x, so 3 is the coefficient of x in this equation. The coefficient of x here is 5 and here it's 3. For this one, there is nothing, so the number is 1. The coefficient of this y is 1. Once we have this figured out, you isolate for that y. Well, in this case, y has been isolated already. We know that y is 3x plus 1. So that makes our solution easier. We will substitute this value of y into the second equation. So I will write using y from equation 1 into equation 2. The equation 2 is 3 times y. I will write 3 times, and y is 3x plus 7, so I will plug that over here. 3x plus 7, and the right side would be copied as it is, 5x plus 1. If you notice, this is now a linear equation in only one variable. X is the only variable. We try solving this one. We have 9x plus 21 equals 5x plus 1. We collect the like terms. 9x minus 5x equals minus 21 plus 1. So 4x equals minus 20. That means x is minus 20 over 4, which is minus 5. Now that we have x, we use this x in either first or second equation to find the value of y. I will write using x equals minus 5 in the first equation. Y would be 3 times of x, and x is minus 5, so minus 5 plus 7, which is minus 15 plus 7 or minus 8. Now we have the value of x and y. That is your solution. X equals minus 5, y equals minus 8. Let's look at this example. We have minus 5x minus 8y equals 17 and 2x minus 7y equals minus 17. In this case, none of the variables have 1 as their coefficient. So we pick any one. The simplest way would be to pick the variable that has smallest coefficient. I would go with this. 2 is the smallest number, 5, 8, 7. Out of these, 2 is the smallest, so I will go with this one. I have 2x minus 7y equals minus 17, so 2x would be 7y minus 17, and x would be 7y minus 17 over 2. This is equation 1 and 2. And now I will plug this x into the first equation. So I will write using this x in the equation 1. I have minus 5, and instead of x I will write this value 7y minus 17 over 2 minus 8y equals 17. This is minus 35y plus 85, because minus 5 times minus 17 is 85, over 2 minus 8y equals 17. Now this is a fraction and these two are not, so to remove the fraction, let's multiply everything by 2. We have minus 35y plus 85 minus 2 times 8y, 16y, equals 17 times 2, which is 34. And now minus 35y and minus 16y can be combined together, and minus 35y minus 16y would be minus 51y equals 34 minus 85, and 34 minus 85 would be minus 51. Minus 51y equals minus 51. Divide both sides by minus 51 and you get y equals 1. Now that we have y, this equation I'll call it number 3. Now I will using y in equation 3. I have x equals 7 times y. So 7 times 1 minus 17 over 2, which is 7 minus 17 over 2 minus 10 over 2, which is minus 5. So your solution is x equals minus 5 and y equals 1. You can also represent your answer in this form: minus 5 comma 1. X is minus 5, y is 1. If you understand this, can you try this problem? 2x plus y equals 20 and 6x minus 5y equals 12. Let me know your answer in the comment below.